In this video, we're going to talk about how to download a .java file that you receive via email or via Canvas so that you can import it into your own project in IntelliJ. So I'm starting in Outlook, and I have an email that was sent to me by my pair programming partner, and it includes our main.java file. So the first thing I'm going to need to do is download that file. Now, it's tempting whenever you've downloaded the file to open it directly. So I'm going to look for it in my downloads. Here's my file that I just downloaded. So I'm going to open this file. I'm going to say I want to open it with IntelliJ. I have a lot of editors installed, so sometimes my programs want to open in a different editor. You likely only have IntelliJ installed, so it may automatically open in IntelliJ if you double click on the file name. But what I want you to see is that no matter whether your program automatically opens in IntelliJ or whether you have to select that you would want to open it in IntelliJ, it still doesn't open it in the regular way. You can see that we don't have a full project here. It's just opening up the one file so that we can see it. And that's okay, that's a good starting place. So whenever I get the file open, the first thing I do is say that I want to copy everything in the file. So I'm going to select all and then choose that I want to copy it. Now, obviously, you can use the keyboard shortcuts. You don't have to choose it from the menu. I'm just showing you what menu options I picked. And then once you have done that, you can actually close the file, because what we're going to do is open a brand new project. So I'm going to say I want to open a new project and then give it a name. Like, I got my file from pair programming. I think it was challenge number 2. So I'm going to open the new file in my project, and then I don't actually need this example code in here. What I want to have in my main program is all of the code that my partner sent me. So I'm just going to paste the code from where I previously copied it. And now I have a copy of my code that I worked on with my partner in the pair programming activity. It's all part of a project, and I'm able to compile and run it to test it on my own computer, or to play around with it some more to change various instructions and so on. So again, the key steps are to open the file that you've downloaded. When you do that, you're unlikely to be able to compile it directly, but you can copy it. Then once you have it copied, open a new project in IntelliJ, just like you would if you were starting from scratch. And then when the main file opens, you can copy and paste from your shared file into the new project.